I love blueberry parties in my mouth.
Exciting.
Okay.
How about you? Do you like blueberry parties in your mouth?
It's really good.
Hello and welcome to our quarantine cooking show, because we decided that since we can't travel anywhere, might as well start a cooking show.
And Nicole decided to give me my fantasy dream of her being a chef on TV.
So here we are. And what are we making today?
Well, you tell me. You chose the recipe. What's it called?
Well, we had some very mushy bananas that we had been freezing for a little while, so those are dripping on the counter. And we had a bunch of blueberries that my mom got, so I figure let's make some banana blueberry bread. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Banana blueberry bread. And then, and we're just gonna make it vegan because why not?
Because we can.
Not that we're vegan. Okay. So, walk us through the ingredients here, Mom.
Okay, so they have oats in it. We have some sugar. You can use raw cane sugar or turbinado sugar. And then we have some almond flour. You can use gluten-free flour if you like. And applesauce, of course, the bananas and blueberries. It's really quite a simple recipe, so it should be fun to make and it should be tasty.
All right, let's try this out. So, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, add the flour, oats, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, optional cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Stir to combine. While I'm going to be doing that, my mom will be mashing the bananas in a smaller bowl.
Oh, these are mushy. Yeeks.
And they're very mushy. Oh, this is bad.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, don't use that then. Just throw it out.
Just kidding, our applesauce was bad. All right, we are going to try it with avocado oil. Woohoo!
So you have two choices. You can either oil a pan or line it. So what you use is a wax paper where you just cut corners to it. And what I did is I took the pan, laid down where the bottom was, and then cut the edges on it. And then you just take your paper and you put it in the pan. It just fits right in when you cut those edges. So now you have a lined pan to put it in. So you could do it this way or just leave it, with the olive oil. You might have to just take a knife to the edge and then pop it out later. So your choice.
So our oven is at 350 degrees. We have our pan lined, and let's see if it's going to take more than one. What do you think?
I think you're going to use two 3x6 pans or one 9x5. So we've got two 3x6 pans, and that will work for us. So you ready?
Cool. Yeah.
Let's go.
Shall we we pop these bad boys in there?
I think so. I think we're ready. Let's check and see if our banana blueberry bread is ready. So what you want to do is take a fork or toothpick and just quickly put it in and see that it's clean when it comes out, and that means your bread is ready. So I'll turn off the oven and we'll get these bread out and we'll give them a taste for you.
All right.
Wow, that smells great, Nicole. We gave you two options. One was to line a pan and the other one was just to oil it. Let's just tell you, lining a pan is the way to go. So we're gonna taste this bread. It's great for breakfast. You know, it's gluten-free and it is vegan. So I think that this is probably something that you will enjoy. There are some other things that we love making during this COVID-19. Which one's your favorite? What's your favorite?
Well, I made some pretty good scones a couple weeks back, so that was exciting.
Yeah, my favorite though are your cocktail garnishes. So
Right, yeah. We'll have to show you how to do some dried oranges. You can put some, well, we'll show you. I don't want to reveal too much.
So enjoy, and we hope you let us know how you like your banana blueberry bread.
Should we try it?
Yeah, I think so. Give it a go. Let's go.
All right.
Here, let's get a cut.
Okay.
All right, here. Let's give it a taste here.
All right.
It's very moist because
It's
we
very
kind
moist.
of we went a little blueberry crazy.
Yeah, we're good. It's really good.
Great. Good job.
Good flavor.
Peace out.
Peace out. All right. See ya.